Good morning, Wizards. I'm here from the Patch School of Wizardry, and we're learning numbers. Again, I'm Headmaster Fava, and I have an assistant, Wizard Tracy, with me today, as always. Now, the last assignment that we were on was pages 14 through 17, and we were working with colors. I want to review the colors with you. What color is this? White? Got it. What color is this? Red. Take a good look. Light green. Very important one. Say it again. Light green. Good. Now, purple. Good. Yellow. Here's the other end of the tricky one. Dark green. Notice the difference between the light green and the dark green. We'll get on with these later. Now black. Take a look at it. Good. Now brown. Very good. Blue. And orange. So we've worked from white all the way to orange. How many colors are there? 10. Cuisinart time. I'm going to introduce to you Cuisinarts every time and every segment. Now, you have 74 pieces inside the box that you have. And we're going to start with 1, the universal number 1. White, the universal number, is 1. Red is 2. Light green is 3. Purple is 4. Yellow is 5. Dark green is 6. Now let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's do it in color. White, red, light green, purple, yellow, dark green. Okay. Let's go to black. Black is 7. It's longer than the rest, isn't it? Now we go to 8. 8 is brown. It's even longer. You notice the pattern. 9 is blue. And the last Cuisinart rod is 10. Orange. Let's go through it. White, red, light green, purple, yellow, dark green, black, brown, blue, orange. Now let's go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Those are the Cuisinart rods that you're going to need to work with. Okay, Patch Junior Wizards. Today we're going to be doing the mantra, as we will every day. Now, here we go. W is for white. White equals 1. R is for red. Red equals 2. G is for light green. Light green equals 3. P is for purple. Purple equals 4. Y is for yellow. Yellow equals 5. D is for dark green. Dark green equals 6. K is for black, and black equals 7. N is for brown. Brown equals 8. E is for blue. Blue equals 9. O is for orange. Orange equals 10. Nice job. I need you to do that. Fantastic. Well, boys and girls, Junior Wizards, we're going to go do the codes, and I'm going to show you them in front of you right now. You have them on page 7 in your workbook, but I like to review the codes every single time. W is for white. R is for red. G is for light green. P is for purple. Y is for yellow. D is for dark green. K is for black. N is for brown. E is for blue. And the last one, O is for orange. Now let's go through it backwards. O is for orange. E is for blue. N is for brown. K is for black. D is for dark green. Y is for yellow. P is for purple. G is for light green. R is for red. And W is for white. There you go, the codes. Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to use the paddles. All you junior wizards out there. Now I'm going to show you a number, and you're going to have to tell me the color. That's the first part. You ready? 1. What color? White. Good. 2. What color? Red. Perfect. What color? Light green. 3. Good. This is 4. What color is it? Purple. Excellent. Yellow. 5. Look at it again. Yellow. 5. 6 is what color? Dark green. Good. 7 is black. Say it again. 7 is black. 8 is what color? Brown. One more time, brown. 9, blue. Excellent. And we have one more. 10. What color's 10? Orange. Fantastic. Now I'm going to do one other thing with you, as I will do every day. What is the code for 1? W. What's the code for red? R. What is the code for light green? G. What is the code for purple? P. What is the code for yellow? Y. What is the code for dark green? D. What is the code for black? K. What is the code for brown? N. Very good. What is the code for blue? E. Good going. Last one. What's the code for orange? O. There you go. We worked on the code today. We worked on the numbers. Study them. Review them. Thank you. Today, boys and girls, we're going to work with train. We work every day with using trains. Now, we're going to start with a 4, which is purple, P. Here we go. There is a 4. Now, you can also do a 3 and a 1. There that is. A 2 and a 2. And notice how I'm putting them in. A 4, a 3 and a 1, a 2 and a 2. Great. Now we're going, I want you to fill them all up, all the way to the very top. Now let's go to 5. And here we are with 5s. Notice the 5 is already in there, and it can't be on the sides. Not like this. This doesn't work. That doesn't work. Now this is how it's supposed to look. Look at it. Super. Now we're going to work on it as if it was like the 4s, but it's a 5. I'm going to go now with my magic wand and make 5. 4 and 1 is 5. What else can we do? 3 and 2 is 5. Aha! But there's a trick to this. You have 3 and a 2. You can also do 3 and a 2. And now we have it. They look different, don't they? Take a look. We have a red and a light green, and we have a light green and a red. Now you're going to fill them all the way to the top with 5s, sets of 5s. Can you do that? Let's go to 6s. Here is a 6. Notice how we put it in. Now let's make sets of 6. A 5 and a 1 makes 6, just like we have on the bottom. 5 and 1. Or a yellow and a white. Now we're going to make 6 using light green. First light green, second light green, and they equal 6. See how perfectly they fit? Okay, let's try another one. 2, 4, 6. There we have it. 2, 4, 6. 3 reds. Everything equals 6. You have the solid 6, a yellow and a 1, a light green and light green, a red, red, and a red. 6 is all the way to the top. Okay? Let's go to 7. And now we're on to 7s, black. Take a look at how I have it. And I'm going to use a dark green and a 1. There's a dark green and a 1, and they equal 7. Pretty easy. Let's take a yellow, red. Yellow and red equals 7. Now let's try a trick with my magic wand. We're going to turn it around. Red, now yellow. We reversed it. Different but the same. Can you do that? Now we're also going to go, I want to show you one more pattern. Here we go. Purple, light green. And what do they equal? 7. Okay. Fill up the train all the way to the top. Now, we're going to go to 8. What color is 8? Brown. Okay, now we're going to use a brown one. Going to make it magically appear right here. There's our 8. And what are sets of 8? Well, let's take a look at a purple and a purple. That also equals 8. 4 and 4 is 8. Okay, let's now take a look at another one. 5. What does 5 go with? A 3, light green. And it keeps going like that all the way through it. Let's do one more. 6 and a 2. And you can do that too. 6 and a 2. Brown, purple, purple, yellow, light green, dark green, red. Fantastic. Let's move on. Now don't forget to fill it all the way to the top. Okay, let's go on to blue. There, I just put a blue Cuisinart rod in. Now, let's make more 9s. 7 and a 2. 7 and 2 equals 9. Now let's go use an 8. And a 1. Makes it 9. Let's try one more. A 5 and a 4. 5 and a 4, yellow and purple, equals 9. 8 and 1 is 9. 7 and 2 is 9. And of course, blue is 9. Are we going to go on to the next one? I want you to fill this all up. And I want you now to, let's take a look at 10. O for orange. Notice how I put the 10 in there, the long way. Great. Now let's take a look at how we make sets of 10. You can fill this up, oh yeah, all the way to the top. A 5 and a 5. 10. 8. 2. 10. Now let's get creative. 3. 3. 3. And 1. 10. Look at how many different ways we can write 10. Now it's your job to go all the way to the top. That's it today. I want you to use these every single day and it will make you smarter. Okay, boys and girls, I should say wizards, junior wizards. Every day I want you to play, not just in the book, but there's pictures I want you to color. They're all in code. Now, page 7 will help you when you take a look at it. 7, 8, 9, all the way to 14 will help you with this. Now, we have a picture. And I'm going to magically transform this picture step by step to show you how it's done. Here we go. I'm going to take R, which is red, taking my magic marker, a red magic marker. There it is. That's my first tool. Let's see if I can have fun. Magically done. Take a look. Anything with an R was colored in red. Now, I'm going to do the center. It shows yellow and black. Here we go. Notice how we colored in the yellow and had the 3 black centerpieces? Okay, now we're going to move on to the very center, which is orange. Now we have the orange done. O is for orange. R is for red. Y is for black. Y is for yellow, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the black dots, which is K. K is black. Now one more time. R, O, K, Y. Now let's move on. Okay, now G is for light green. And notice how nicely I stayed within the lines. Same at the top. Stay within the lines. Take your time. I want you to have fun. Okay, the last one is going to be D. What is D? Dark green. Let's go. Super. Notice dark green. D for dark green. G for light green. R for red. O for orange. K for black. Y for yellow. We want you to do this on all the pictures. Now, here's a picture on another page. Notice the codes. I want you, every lesson that you do, to color in a page. Now, I want to go now. I gave you an assignment, and we're going to have Tracy, Wizard Tracy, go over here and turn the pages for me. Okay, we're at page 14. It says colors in rods, and it's 1 through 5. 1 through 5. The first one is 1. And because 1 is white, if I had a white magic marker and put it on a white page, could you see it? No. So all our 1s are outlined in black. So I want you to just make sure you have outlined it in black. Now Tracy's going to show you how to outline it in black. Okay. You see how Tracy's doing it? All right. Now let's go to the next one. And it's a 2. Let's trace it all in with red, because 2 is red. You all done with that one, Trace?
Yes.
Good. Now we're going to go to the next one, light green. I want you to trace all of that box in with your magic marker, light green. Good. Next one is purple. And now, Tracy's putting that in. And the next one. Oh, wizards, you're doing a great job. Now if I can only put this back in. And the next color is yellow. I know we have a yellow. Wizard Tracy is going to be coloring the yellow. 5. Yellow's 5. Okay. Now, how much is white? 1. How much is red? 2. How much is light green? 3. How much is purple? 4. How much is yellow? 5. Good going. Now we're going to turn the page. And now, This one, they're all 5 are there, but they're mixed up. Let's see how well we know them. The first one is red. So pick up your red magic marker and color it in. The second one is purple, and purple equals 4. Purple. Next one, the number 1, and Wizard Tracy is going to highlight the outside. Check how she's doing it so you've done it right. We don't color it inside. Excellent. Universal number 1. Next, we have the light green. She's coloring in the light green. Notice how she's staying inside the lines? Okay. And the very last one on this page is 5. So color it all in. Stay in the lines. I never could stay in the lines. Do the best you can. Now, here you go. So we've done again. White is 1, red is 2, light green is 3, purple is 4, yellow is 5. Aha! And I think we have another page. Yes, we do. Ah! My hat fell off. How terrible. Okay, next page. The same as the first 2, but they're mixed up. Can we handle that? Good. Let's color in the first one. The first one is 5. And what color is 5? Yellow. Good. Where'd that come from? Now, second one, purple. Let's take a look again. Purple. Good. Hold in your hand after you colored it in. Good. Next, light green. Is this hard? You having fun, I hope? Good. Now, next one is red. And the very last one is the universal number 1. White. Let's go to the last, one more page. Here we go. 5 more. First one's purple. Equals 4. Color it in. Second one is 1. And she's highlighting around the outside. Third one, light green. And light green equals 3. Excellent. Coming right along. Next one is red, which is 2. Last one is 5, yellow. Excellent. Now let's jump to the one more page. And the last page is the assessment. This is our test. How well do we know them? Can we do 1 through 5? White, red, light green, purple, yellow. This is your test. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to wait till you finish it. Then we're going to go over it. Okay? What's the first one? White. Did you highlight the outside of it? Good. Second one is 2. It's red. Now you have to put a number inside of there. So you're writing 1. You're writing 2. The third one, light green. What do you write in there? A 3. Excellent. Hope you've done that. Now, 4 goes in the purple box. And the very last for today is 5. Can you write the number 5 in there? Excellent. One last thing and we're going to go. And then I'll wait for you. You can wait for my next lesson. Let's review it. White is 1, red is 2, light green is 3, purple is 4, yellow is 5. Thank you. And the next grouping we're going to do has to do with colors and numbers again. But now we're going to go through 6 through 10. Have a great day and see you the next session.